Teacher shark do 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 do. Teacher shark do 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 do. I just wanted to show you guys my mug. I thought you might like that. I'm having my tea this afternoon in it. And on to the lesson. Now, you may have noticed that this activity we use cupcake liners. So I have got some cupcake liners here. First I have just the plain white ones. Okay, you can also use these to make muffins. And then I also have these ones here, which are also very nice. Okay, you'll notice that I've sorted my coins here into the cupcake liners. Okay, and beside each cupcake liner, I have the type of coin that's in there and the amount it's worth. So this is pennies here, nickels, dimes, quarters, loonies, and toonies. So there are my coins sorted nicely into the liners. Now, if you don't have cupcake liners, you can definitely use small containers. That will work as well. Or if you like, an egg carton would also work quite well too. Okay, so use what you have, and that's how I sorted my coins. Now, I also use these white liners, okay, to write the different amounts. So I wrote inside this one 15 cents. Okay, for this activity, you will see there's a variety of cupcake liners, okay, with different amounts than what I have on mine here. But you only have to choose 2 of them, okay? So I've chosen for one of mine 15 cents, okay? Now here's how you will set up your paper when you're doing that amount, okay? So 15 cents. At the top of my paper, I wrote how to make 15 cents. Okay, how to make 15 cents because that's the amount on my cupcake liner. Then you'll notice I have way number 1, way number 2, and way number 3 because I'm going to show you 3 different ways to make 15 cents. Okay, so I will leave a copy of this on as an attachment so you know how to set up your paper for this activity. Okay, so I'm going to show you three ways: way 1, way 2, way 3. Okay, so 15 cents. I think the first way I'm going to do is counting by 5s. Okay, so I'm going to use nickels. Okay, and I'm going to count by 5s. Okay, so as I pull out each nickel, I will count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, and I'm at 15. So again, that was 5, 10, 15, and I count out loud. Now, where it says, I would say you're going to write exactly what we just said when we counted out. 5, 10, 15. So let's write that down below each coin. 5, 10, 15. 5, 10, 15. That's how you would add up the coins. Okay, now it says number sentence. Okay, your number sentence would be like this. Okay, so nickels are worth 5 cents. So it would be 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15. And that's way number 1. Okay, way number 2, I'm going to use a dime, and a dime's worth 10 cents. So when I put it down, I'll say 10, okay? And then I'm going to get a nickel. So now we switch to counting by 5s. So 10, now we're at 15. Okay, so write down what you would say, 10, and then you put down the nickel and you say 15. Okay, and for the number sentence, a dime is worth 10 cents. So we would write 10 plus a nickel's worth 5. So plus 5. this is worth 10, the dime. So 10 plus a nickel's worth 5. So 10 plus 5 equals 15. Okay? Now for way number 3, I'm going to start off again with some nickels. Okay, so we're going to go 5, 10. Okay, let's write that down so far. So again, it was 5, 10. So what I would say, 5, 10. Now I want to use some pennies, so we're going to switch to counting by ones. So 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So what I would say, you count the nickels first, 5, 10. Now switch to ones for the pennies, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so that's how you would count them. So I would say 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Our number sentence would be a nickel's worth 5, so 5 plus, this is also worth 5, plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 15. For a number sentence, you always need to have the equal sign. What does it equal? And they should all equal 15 because I'm showing you how to add 15 cents. Okay, so that's example number 1. Okay, I've showed 3 different ways to make 15 cents. Okay, and I've showed what you would say. So if you're counting the coins, you would say 5, 10, 15. And then I showed the number sentence. Okay, here I would count nickels by 5. So 5, 10. Now switch to ones, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And show the number sentence below. Okay,